Hey YouTube, sorry we missed you guys tonight. YouTube had some technical difficulties where we weren't able to get on, but I wanted to come on and show you guys what we made. And if you want to get this kit for this, you can go to www.rhondascreativecorner.com, and you can also go to Facebook to actually see it. It's Rhonda's Creative Corner, and you can see the live there. We want you guys to follow us both on Facebook and on YouTube. So go over there and check it out on how I made this. Now, one of the things that does not come with the kit is this green mesh right here. But if you want it, you can just type in faux jute, poly jute, and this will come up and you're able to get it. I wanted to make the kit pretty reasonable, so I didn't want to put 3 mesh in there, but I am using 3 mesh, and I'm using the technique of the video that I used for the Valentine's video. I'm using the curl method, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy when you go over to Facebook, and again, I'm sorry we missed you guys. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.